Danny Morris Lawford. I'd just like to show you our 241 Yaris 1.5 hybrid Luna. It's finished in ash grey. Electric windows, electric mirrors, centre locking, alloy wheels, bodywork in super condition, front fogs. Very spacious boot with safety kit and protective mats applied. Reverse camera. So here in the back we have velour interior with Isofix seats. Loads of legroom in the back of this Yaris. Manual windows in the back. Cup holders and door cards. And up front we have automatic transmission. Centre armrest, cup holders, USB and auxiliary ports, touchscreen radio with reverse camera, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, multifunction steering wheel, pre-collision alert, lane assist. This car has covered kilometres of just 25,000. Service history. So that's our 241 Yaris Hybrid Luna. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.